Sound. Today, I describe you what is complete flower, and thereafter I give a demonstration of dissection of a complete flower. Here it is a sample of hibiscus species. Hibiscus, its complete name is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Here I am taken. These are blotting paper, piece of blotting paper. We place the blotting paper here, and thereafter take the big flower, and you see this is called pedicel. This is called pedicel. Thereafter this is calyx, and these small green parts are apicalyx. Apicalyx. And thereafter the bright red portion is petals, and we call it also corolla. And thereafter you see here is yellow small beads like structures. These are anthers, and on the top this is stigma. At first I dissect the calyx. I separate the calyx from the flower. I take a scissor and gently I cut the lower part, and I take a very carefully I cut it here. Please move forward, so it is some trouble. This is calyx. You see, this is calyx. It is 5 calyx. Yeah, right. And thereafter, one after another, I dissect the petals. That is the corolla. Corolla are separated, and now you see this is called this is the portion is style, and here is small beads. These are anther, and there is on the top is stigma. This is called monadelphous stamen. It is joint stamen, and I dissect it and separate it from the female part, that is gynoecium. Yes, I able to I completely separated the androecium part, and this is the androecium part, and The delicate portion is style and this is stigma. And where is ovary? Ovary is at the bottom. Bottom. I try to remove the lower part so that you will see the here this is needle, and you see in the lower part you see there is a white portion is here. This white portion, this portion is ovary. This white portion is ovary. This white portion. So I try to remove the excess portion of the. Yes, I able to remove it. So these are 4 parts of flower. See, now it is clear, and the whole androecium is covered this style, so that this is called monadelphous stamen. It is not separately present in the hibiscus rosa sinensis. Okay. Now, how you make an herbarium. At first, we take the blotting paper, and thereafter you place one after another petals here, petals. You put the petals here. Petals. Thereafter, you just fold the blotting paper like this, and give a book to me. That book, that thick book, book, yes, and place it inside the book for pressure. Thereafter, we have another 3 parts: androecium, gynoecium, and calyx. Now take another blotting paper and place the calyx here and press it, and again put it in the book for pressure. And in the last blotting paper, we put the 2 parts of the androecium. This is only one androecium. This is the 2 parts of the androecium, as it is monadelphous stamen. And on the top there are anthers. The 2 part of the androecium is here, and thereafter the style and stigma, and finally press it and again put it in the book. Thereafter, we keep some heavy weight on the book. After 2 or 3 days, we remove the pressing papers and open it again. Change the blotting paper. At least 15 days, 10 to 15 days required for complete preservation of the herbarium. Okay, thank you. I think you can understand.